In this video, I will show you how to download Ragnarok X Next Generation in PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Ragnarok X Next Generation is a role-playing game developed by Gravity Game Hub, and you can actually play this game on your PC or Mac using something called BlueStacks. Now, BlueStacks is an app-based and Android emulator, so what this means is it enables you to play Android games on your PC or Mac. To get started, what you're going to want to do is click onto the link in the video description. So if you come below this video to the video description, you're going to see a link to click. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to a website like this. From here, what you want to do is click the blue Play Ragnarok X Next Generation on PC button to start downloading the BlueStacks installer on your PC. Now, once that's downloaded, what you can do is click to run the installer, and then what you can do is go through and install BlueStacks onto your PC. So it's just going to take a minute or two to run through and install. Once BlueStacks has finished downloading and installing, it's going to load up automatically and take you to the download page for Ragnarok X Next Generation. Now, I've already installed this, but for yourself, there's going to be a button here which says install with Google Play. What you want to do is give that a click. What you would do is click the blue install button. So once it's all ready and it's installed, you can click the blue launch button to launch this with BlueStacks. Here we are in game. As you can see, the game itself runs really smooth, and what I'm going to do is just go ahead and jump into the game so you can see the gameplay itself. And here we are, as you can see in game. You can see the gameplay, as mentioned, runs really smooth. BlueStacks is actually a very good emulator, and you can see it's a very smooth experience. And that is how to download Ragnarok X Next Generation in PC. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.